train, develop, and inspire technical training instructors, military training leaders, and support personnel for execution of the technical training mission. This is the mission of the Faculty Development Flight.
While the primary customer base is the faculty and staff of the 81st Training Group, the Keesler Faculty Development Flight also serves the training needs of our other AETC technical training centers, MAGCOMs, sister services, DoD agencies, and international partners.
Graduating over 800 students annually, the Keesler Faculty Development Flight plays an integral part in developing learning professionals.
One of the first developmental steps for new instructor candidates is completion of the Basic Instructor Course, aka BIC. The Basic Instructor Course consists of 4 blocks of training providing instructors with required foundational skills and knowledge. The curriculum includes roles and qualities of an instructor, learning theory, instructional methods, group dynamics, communicative process, multimedia, questioning techniques, instructional system development, lesson plan development, counseling theory, and delivering presentations. Upon graduation from BIC, instructors are ready to join their respective training squadron as student instructors to begin their next phase of training and development.
After acquiring the basic instructional skills and knowledge, the student instructor will continue their qualification training by entering into the teaching internship phase of development. The teaching internship, generally managed by the instructor supervisor, is designed to systematically develop the instructor. It is an experiential program providing new instructors with the opportunity to exercise their newly acquired skills through practical teaching experience and classroom management under the supervision of a qualified instructor, trainer, or instructor supervisor. After gaining practical teaching experience, the now qualified CCAF instructor is eligible for the first of 3 CCAF instructor certifications. The CIC program is offered to qualified instructors who teach CCAF collegiate level credit awarding courses at a CCAF affiliated school. It is a professional credential that recognizes the instructor's extensive faculty development training, education, and qualification required to teach a CCAF collegiate course and formally acknowledges the instructor's practical teaching experience. Requirements for CIC-1 include completion of at least 3 semester hours of CCAF-approved instructor methodology coursework. This can be satisfied by completing the basic instructor course, completion of at least 12 semester hours of CCAF instructor teaching internship, holding an associate's or higher level degree from an accredited institution, and 1 year of teaching experience as a CCAF instructor with at least 1,000 hours of teaching experience teaching a CCAF awarding course.
As instructors become more proficient, they more than likely will be tasked to be a subject matter expert working in conjunction with curriculum developers in producing course materials. To fulfill the role of a subject matter expert, instructors must have a general understanding of instructional system design. In this respect, the Faculty Development Flight offers continuation training courses intended to broaden the instructor's knowledge and expertise in this area. One of these courses is AISD. The AISD course is a foundational course for instructional system developers, providing training on the development and maintenance of training programs. More specifically, AISD covers the development of course documents, measurement devices, and training materials necessary to implement the fundamentals of instructional systems development.
Having a better understanding of instructional system design gained from the AISD course, the instructor can now progress further into the areas of curriculum development. The Technical Writers course, another foundational course for technical training instructors, is designed to train personnel on the processes for the production of student instructional materials. Training includes developing an outline, copyright policies, drafting and formatting a study guide workbook, editing, and conducting an annual review. This course can prove to be very beneficial for subject matter expert instructors tasked with ensuring that the information contained in the student materials is both accurate and relevant.
At this point, with the added experience and knowledge, the instructor should now have met the requirements for CIC Level 2. To be awarded with this certification, the instructor, in addition to meeting the minimum requirements for CIC 1, must have at least 2 years teaching experience, along with 2,000 hours of documented practical teaching experience.
Recognizing that online instruction is becoming more prevalent as an instructional method, the Keesler Faculty Development Flight also offers the Instructor Developer of Online Learning course, also known as EIDL. This course is designed to prepare instructors and developers to facilitate and develop curriculum for the online learning environment. The instructional design for this course is asynchronous online delivery with integrated synchronous sessions. The course prepares course developers for analyzing and converting traditional training programs to the online or blended environment, and it prepares online course facilitators with the necessary instructional strategies for facilitating an online course.
For those instructors who, in the pursuit of instructional excellence, wish to go above and beyond the standard, there is the Master Instructor Program. The Master Instructor Program formally recognizes those instructors who have demonstrated sustained training delivery and professional growth above the minimum AETC training and performance requirements. The criteria for achieving Master Instructor includes an academic degree, a minimum of 1,000 teaching hours, a minimum of 6 semester hours of college education courses beyond the minimum required degree, an overall rating of excellent or above on the last 3 consecutive instructor evaluations, and 110 points accumulated by professional projects and/or awards criteria.
CIC-3 is the last certification to formally recognize the instructor's advanced professional accomplishment beyond the CIC-2. In addition to being awarded CIC-2, the instructor must have a bachelor's degree or higher, a minimum of 3 years of teaching experience, 3,000 hours of documented teaching experience teaching a CCAF course, and complete at least 24 semester hours of CCAF approved education coursework.
The progression period from assignment as an AETC instructor to master instructor typically happens within a span of 3 years. With each progressive step, the instructor enhances their professional development, improving their instructional skills and knowledge. At each level, the Keesler Faculty Development Flight, by providing exemplary leading edge training, makes an indelible mark upon each instructor's professional development.
In keeping with CCAF policies, procedures, and guidelines to establish and sustain a culture where faculty professional development is valued and persuasive, the Keesler Faculty Development Flight, cognizant of the dynamic academic environment, has taken great strides in developing, integrating, and promoting state-of-the-art educational concepts.
One such innovation is the introduction of the Enhanced Learning and Instructional Technique Enrichment or ELITE course. The ELITE course is designed to expose tenured instructors to student-centered active learning environment with upside-down pedagogies, commonly referred to as Scale Up. Scale Up promotes a student centered and active learning environment, providing a recharge and refresh on learning methodology and instructional technology. In keeping with educational trends, this course is delivered as an in residence course as part of a blended learning environment utilizing an online learning management system. Face to face instruction and various teaching strategies provide a differentiated learning experience. The topics covered include characteristics of a facilitator, emotional intelligence and instructional style, how people learn and collaborative facilitation, active learning strategies, integrating multimedia and room configurations, instructional system development, converting lesson plans for the active learning environment, and finally integrating collaborative learning with your capstone.
Instructors are at the core of the technical training teaching learning continuum and are expected to maintain their proficiency in their respective areas of expertise. As such, continuation training is essential in shaping the quintessential AETC instructor. For its part, the Keesler Faculty Development Flight distinguishes itself in providing AETC instructors with the education and training needed to enhance their technical and professional skills and knowledge, allowing them to operate seamlessly and effectively in the military training environment. Furthermore, these learning professionals, equipped with the enhanced analytical problem solving and communication skills, will contribute immensely to their units upon reintegration into their respective career fields.
Train, develop, and inspire technical training instructors, military training leaders, and support personnel for execution of the technical training mission.
This is the mission of the Faculty Development Flight.